Hi, I'm George Smith. I'm at MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. I'm on a 33 Boston Whaler Outrage, a 2020 model with twin 300 Mercury's on the back. Just wanted to do a walkthrough today to show you how nice this boat is laid out. We do have canvas on it to protect the upholstery, but as you can see, this is the back seat on the boat. We got a nice full platform that you can walk across to get from one side of the boat to the other. That's the seat in the back of the boat, of course. Nice walk-arounds, nice high gunnel on the sides. Dual screens, joystick control. Remote control spotlight. Automatic trim tabs. We have the trolling motor seats on both sides. Nice big flip-up helm seats, and the flip down if you're a little on the short side, you can flip that down so you can see over the dashboard a lot easier. Enclosed head. It's about 6 foot inside the head for standing room. This is the lounge area. Cushions on it, of course, and cushions here. Automatic anchor. And underneath the cushion, you have the bow table, and a lot of storage, of course, for diving tanks, chum bucket, and those are the shades for the bow. The other side of the boat. My name's George Smith. Would love to show you the boat in person. This boat is a hell of a boat offshore. Run the Bahamas. Excellent, excellent dry ride. Please give me a call, 908-675-6746.